This is the Barbecue Depot, and we're going to do a video on showing the features of the top 3 luxury grill brands: Alfresco, Twin Eagles, and Lynx Professional. This model is the Alfresco ALXE 30. It also comes in a 36, a 42, and a 56. The 56 will come in 2 different styles: all grill or a grill with a built-in double side burner, which makes the grill size 42. This is the 30-inch grill. There are amber lights on top of the knobs, a hood thermometer for oven temperature, 2 interior halogen lights, a 3-position warming rack, which is very easy to change, a rotisserie back burner where the motor is built into the actual body of the grill. You just press the rotisserie button and you'll see the motor moves. It has round cylindrical heavy-duty 304 stainless cooking grates, briquette tray that has lock-in bars, which is a really nice feature. This grill has 2 blue flame burners. It uses a stainless U burner, and if you were to get a sear zone, that would be on the right-hand side. There would be no briquette tray, and it would use a special sear zone grate. This ignition is powered by electricity. It uses the regular metal probe electrodes. You press in the ignition button, push in your knob, turn to the left, and your grill lights up and you want that pretty blue flame. There is also a dedicated smoker burner where the knob is over all the way here on your right, with a smoker tray that you can put wood chips or herbs, whatever you would like. There is also a hood assist that makes the hood open easy, and it's like a torque style hood assist. And a really nice feature with Alfresco now is you have colors. These are the standard colors, but for a minimal charge up from the standard color charge, you can get a custom color however you want your backyard to look. So here is the Alfresco ALXE. We're going to move on to Twin Eagles. This is the Twin Eagles grill. This is a 30-inch G, which has no rotisserie back burner. The Twin Eagles, which makes it different from the Lynx and the Alfresco, is you have the option to get this grill without a rotisserie back burner. It comes also in 3 additional sizes: a 36, a 42, but a 54. It has pretty blue lights over the knobs. It has a really cool modern shape to it. Hood thermometer for oven temperature. 2 interior halogen lights. One of them's not working. A really heavy duty spring assist. 2-level warming rack. And on the back would be your rotisserie back burner. And if it had the rotisserie, the motor would be built into the barbecue, just like the Alfresco grill. This grill uses hexagonal 304 stainless grates where you have more food to surface contact because it is flat on the top. This model is the only one that uses that. They also use the briquette tray with the lock-in bar. They also have the smoker box, but they put it on the right side. There is no additional smoker burner on this one, so that's why the smoker box exists on the right-hand side. This grill also uses the U-shaped burner. It is a 25,000 BTU burner. Instead of using the traditional metal probe electrodes, it does use a hot surface electrode. Only this one, you push in the knob and turn, and you'll see it glows orange, and then the grill lights up. So you don't have to press an additional ignition button like you did in the Alfresco. You can also, in this grill, interchange a U burner for a sear burner with the sear burner kit. This is the only grill that you can do that with. If you choose a Pro Sear in the Lynx or a sear zone in the Alfresco, you are stuck with it. Twin Eagles gives you the ability to swap that out. Now we're going to move on to Lynx. This is the Lynx Professional Series grill. This is the 42-inch. And it also comes in 3 other sizes: a 30, a 36, and a 54. When you press the button, you also have pretty blue lights. You have a hood temperature. You have a spring assist hood, a 2-level warming rack 2 interior halogen lights, rotisserie back burner, but the rotisserie motor is going to be an externally mounted motor. It's not on this grill, but it will be on the outside of the grill. The grill has round cylindrical rods, really heavy duty 304 stainless. It uses the ceramic briquette trays. If you were to get the Pro Sear, it'll be on the right hand side and there will be no briquette tray. And in this grill, if you choose the Pro Sear, you cannot swap it out like you can in the Twin Eagles. As I stated, the Twin Eagles is the only model that you can swap the burner back and forth. This grill uses a ceramic blue flame burner, and to light it, you press the knob in, and then we'll show you how it glows. You can see the orange glow, just like in Twin Eagles. Turn to the left, and the grill lights up. This grill also has 25,000 BTUs per burner. Your Pro Sear will have 23,000 BTUs per burner. And guys, always remember when you light your grill, keep your hood open before, so you can see what's going on. And if you are building your grill in, remember to make sure that your island is vented. You must have ventilation in order for the gas to circulate. The Lynx grill also comes in a variety of colors. And on this grill, you must use the colors that are offered. You cannot get a custom color as with Alfresco. So those are the 3 top luxury grill models. If you should have any questions, contact us at thebarbecuedepot.com.